Just waking up. That's one thing I didn't do before I went to sleep. Normally, whenever I find a spot to crash out, I always figure out where east is. If it's clear, sunny day the next day, you're not going to want to roll out right on the east flank of the woods. When that sun comes up, oh God, you're going to be roast chicken. But I was so dang exhausted, I just fell right where I found a comfortable spot. I walked down in the yard last night, couldn't find an open box. There's the old yard house. All the employee cars. The yard is to the right. And the tower is right there. That truck's been there all night. I don't even know if anybody's in that tower any longer. Looks like they emptied out the yard pretty good. As soon as I laid down, there was a northbound, of course. That's one way to make a train come. You take all your gear and roll it out on the ground and empty your backpack out and scatter stuff for 2 miles, and then a train comes. Ask anyone who's ridden trains if that isn't true. You try to get a good spot. Trying to set this camera up. Man, I can't wait till I have a way to have somebody with me to help me. It got pretty cool last night. See my breath. Of course, my breath you can see in 80 degrees. Get my Three Musketeer. What I need to do is get a motel room. I ain't had a bath since I left Tennessee. I usually do that once, maybe twice a month. Get a motel room. Well, those are really good to have. About $8. Sporting goods store. I really didn't like that much. The military ones are about $20. They're a lot softer than this. Trying to get that candy bar swallowed. That's actually still a little wet. But later today I plan on drying all this stuff out again anyway, so now I gotta find a place with a cheap motel. I still may not do it though. It's just an idea. Well, I kept hearing something last night. I want to say it was a groundhog. Something was mad at me for laying down here. Kept going. It was pissed at me, I know that. It sounded pretty big, like it may have been a kind of rodent type mammal or something. It wasn't happy with me. Yeah, I gotta go back to the dollar store today. Get some more baby wipe, another water. I don't know what I did with the lid to the water last night. I got stuff spread out everywhere. That's about all there is to it. I'm almost done rolling up. I don't even see my water bottle. It must be. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's really no evidence of anybody ever catching a train here. There's no garbage or anything. Well, now here. That looks like an old Wild Irish Rose or night train or something. Oh, it might have been a... Nah, it wasn't a Mad Dog bottle. It's round. It's some kind of wine bottle. But it's been back here for, God, at least 20 years. Yeah, we had a train last night. It was half containers and half junk. And it's about 80 cars long, but it had 7 locomotives on it. And that was just after I got everything taken out of my backpack. You have dollar store and everything, Dairy Queen and all that up that way. So I gotta go out and walk back under that overpass to the dollar store. I didn't realize I'd almost run out of baby wipes. Well, that's about it as far as a good morning video. Yeah, I don't even remember them sleepers there, those railroad ties. I just came back here and collapsed. I slept from about 10 o'clock all the way until now. It's probably 7 maybe. Alright, we're fixing to go. See if I can do a walk video. I'm kind of leaving a trail back here now. That's not good. Anytime you have a camp for a day or two, you go in and out at a different place each time. That way you don't mat down a trail. That's a dead giveaway. Somebody's staying there. There's 2 sets of power down there. There's gonna be 2 trains going out this morning, so I'll get to the dollar store. I gotta get over this main line here. Amtrak runs that first line on the right. I gotta find a good spot to cross and make sure I don't get screened. Yeah, one thing I learned real quick, walking across tracks, you never step on top of the rail. You always step over it. A lot of times you get grease on your boots and stuff. This yard track here. Yeah, I gotta tag that box later. Yeah, I guess there is somebody in that tower. I think it says Tower 11 on it or something. I had to leave my water because I couldn't hold the camera in the water, but I'm going back, so. Oh, Tower PT. Tower I'm trying to think what that may have said at one time. Tower Pottery. I don't know. Tower Physical Training. I remember the Army we had PT. I wish I had that Galaxy I had a couple of years ago. That thing had stabilization, like these bumps and stuff I'm walking on, that camera wouldn't even pick them up. And it was close to high definition you could get in a phone camera. I forgot what the specs were on that Galaxy. I think I had the 10, Galaxy 10. I actually had good enough credit that allowed me to get that on monthly note. And I had insurance and everything, but I got down to Mississippi. I got it in Alaska. I got down to Mississippi and lost the dang thing. But I never filed through the theft on the insurance. I ended up with like a $400 bill. And that was just for the service that I didn't cancel. Then I went back before I got this camera and tried, and my credit was like 2 points lower than what they accepted. There it is. It's kind of worn. I need to find me one of them little pins that does this. I don't even know what they're called. I've heard people mention them. It's like a little acrylic pen. I don't know where to get them or what they're called, but they make like an acrylic paint. Almost like ceramic paint in a way. Yeah, this is where I met that homeless guy yesterday. He scared the bejesus out of me. He walked up and said, "Hey, you care if I sit next to you? You want a beer?" And I didn't know what to say. Well, I knew what to say about the beer. Like, "No, brother, I appreciate it. I quit." "Really? How'd you do it, man? You mind if I sit down?" That was kind of a unique thing you don't see every day out. Almost to the dollar store. I've never had anybody in this yard tell me to leave. I remember a rail worker here a long time ago telling me about that guy named Solo Artist who draws all over cars. He's from New England. Well, I'm going to try and hook these two videos together. I found a new app for that. So I'm going to hide my gear and go over to the dollar store when it opens at 8.